each and every day when I pray.
The very first Igbo movie that started the whole Nollywood revolution was called Living in Bondage. It was about a guy named Andy Okeke who showcased his love for his beautiful wife, Merit. I mean, this is a movie that stuck with me right from my childhood till anywhere that I go to. Even I can even remember the song as it goes, Ije nwanwe love mo, Ije chelu mo na love kanyi nwere nobu chukwu nyere anyo, Ije chelu mo ahana mo. The guy even sang the song in the Anambra accent, which even made the loving extra in her. Ever since then, there have been other movies like, Taboo, Evil Passion. These were all movies that came, subsequently after Living in Bondage. Nollywood is one of the fastest growing movie industries in the world. You can imagine, in Nigeria, these movies are shot like in a matter of days and they're ready to go. In the future, I would love to see a lot of our Nollywood and Igbo actors being recognized, internationally for all of the work that they continue to do. My name is Emeka Njoko. Oganiru. Let us make progress. UIU 2017 in LA. See you there.
Whether money don't come again, bracket today, so. Oganiru, Yankana, each and every